About to hit this van. Oh my God! Hit that car. Probably hit somebody over there. Turn
on the
hit the truck.
Signal 4 versus a truck, and we gotta roll over.
Hey, this nigga was crazy.
That's my only test. I got some cash, you want me some more. I got some bags, she sitting on my throat. When I walk in, she take off my coat. We kicking shit on the top floor. Yeah. Niggas be acting like life so hard, it's easy though. Everything is in your mind and know what you need to know.
On Breezy family, how you doing today? So on Breezy, like tweets, come at y'all live yet no reaction video. While police chase in Miami-Dade ends with multiple crashes. This is gonna be a quick ass video. 2:38. I'm only filming these quick ones because I got a couple long ones. I'm about to watch some Skeeter Jean videos, catch up a little bit. I'm just not watching no hour-long video because I'm trying to really like optimize my time. And I'm like, I want to shoot reactions, but I mean, I really mess with you. If you send through a whole hour reaction of mine, I really mess with you and I really appreciate that. But sometimes I don't even want to watch no hour video. Like I got stuff I need to do, bro. You feel me? So this is important, but I'm just trying to make sure I got enough time to do everything I want to do. You feel me? So yeah, we finna get into this video and I hope y'all enjoy it. Ooh, excuse me. And I hope you have a great day.
826, exit of 12. I'm behind the signal 10. Driver! Lower all the windows! Driver! 1155, I got the signal 10, he's fleeing. We're gonna be 826 eastbound from 12.
He said, F that. He out of there.
I'm behind the signal 10, black GMC Benelli. It's gonna be a 28 of 47 Bravo, Zulu, Romeo, Quebec.
Oh, he got up on him fast, bro. You supposed to take off. Like what? You supposed to be out of here.
We're gonna be eastbound.
Oh,
23.
Okay, he taking risks. Oh shit. Oh my God.
Alright, 23. I believe he's signal for the vehicle right now.
Jesus.
Alright, towards the turnpike.
Man, his wheel's done though.
He's going 12 whiskey. Now going on the turnpike, signal 4 versus a truck, and we gotta roll over.
That nigga hit like.
Let me see your it! Let me see you!
That nigga hit the truck, ran the truck. Oh my God.
One out of the passenger side of the car. Deputy 625 of them. Get more units over here, guys. We got one back out here with them.
Damn. See, no, that can't be it. Come on, bro. I mean, it is 2:38, but damn. I wanted to see the rest of that. Wow, now call me crazy, but if I commit a felony while out on probation, you should never be eligible for probation. Yeah. Nah. We gotta go back through that one more time. Replay all them crashes. That nigga hit a truck, ran the truck.
We're gonna be
Ran the truck over. Oh my God, he didn't care, bro.
Alright, 23. I believe he's
Did he
signal
hit
for the
somewhere?
vehicle right
Did
now.
he hit that car? Goes over here.
Alright, towards the turnpike.
About to hit this van. Oh my God, hit that car. Probably hit somebody over there.
Now
Turn
going on the
hit the
turnpike,
truck.
signal 4 versus a truck, and we gotta roll over.
Hey, this nigga was crazy. That truck got some power, bro.
Let me see your it! Let me see your
Bro. Hey man, yeah, I don't know what type of truck he was driving. I don't know if it was a Ram or a GMC, whatever it was, man. That nigga ran over a whole box truck.